the topic that we are going to study is features of business environment. Now, talking about features of business environment, so basically over here we mean pestle. So what are we studying? Features of pestle is also called as features of business environment. They are one and the same. The very first one, all the external forces. Okay, when we talk about business environment, in business environment we will only include external factors and we will not include internal factors. For example, in business environment only and only pestle is included. That means external environment is included. It does not include internal environment. Now we are clear with what is external and what is internal environment. What is external environment? External environment means whatever is happening outside the boundaries of a particular organization is called as external environment, and whatever is happening within the organization is called as internal environment. So what is the first feature? All the external forces. Now when we talk about all the external forces, business environment only includes external forces and it does not include internal forces. The next one that we are going to study is specific and general. Now when you talk about specific and general, specific means it is specific to a particular company. Okay, now when you talk about company, we can talk about customers, investors, etc. So business environment are of two types, specific and general. Specific means it is directly or indirectly related to the company. In company it will include customers, investors, etc. The second one is general. General means it is included or we are going to talk about company in general. Okay, so basically when we talk about general means what? It is directly or indirectly related to the entire country or economy. So in general pestle will come, in specific the entire company shall come. Okay, now the third one is interrelation. Now what do you understand by the term interrelation? Interrelation means pestle, each and every component of pestle are related to each other. For example, political environment is related to legal environment. Right or wrong? How? Political environment. The political party who is ruling India will frame rules and regulations. Right? So for example, the political party BJP, which is currently ruling in India, came with a new law which is called as GST. So why did GST came? Because of the political party. So political party frames the law. So can we see something? Political parties or political factor is related to legal and legal is related to political. These both are interrelated to each other. In the same manner, political is related to economical is related to social is related to technological is related to environmental, and environmental is related to legal. Each and every factor are interrelated to each other. You can give the example of political and legal in order to understand it in a better way. The next one, the fourth one is uncertainty. Now, what do you understand by the term uncertainty? Let me tell you one thing. Rain is uncertain. It will fall anytime. Right or wrong? Right. Uncertainty means you cannot predict what is going to happen. It can change any time. In the same manner, when you talk about uncertainty of pestle over here, uncertainty means any factor can change anytime. For example, political factor can change anytime. Economical factor, that is boom or recession, it can change anytime. Social factor, society can change anytime. We all know we are human beings and we keep on changing, right or wrong? So when we humans keep on changing, the society also keeps on changing. Okay. T, technology. Yes, technology is uncertain, it keeps on changing and we cannot control it. Okay, so take any of the factor, they can change at any time and we cannot control it. If these factors change at any particular period of time and we cannot control it, it is called as uncertainty. Now the next one is dynamic. Now Dynamic is an English word whose synonym is changing. It always keeps on changing. Okay. Now dynamic and uncertainty, they are both related. Okay. But in uncertainty there are 2 points: change and we cannot control it. But in dynamic there is only one point: changing. Pestle is always changing. Pestle keeps on changing every now and then. Political party will change, yes, hence it is called as dynamic. Economic activities or economic of the country keeps on changing. True or false? Yes. Sometimes we are in boom period, sometimes we are in recession period. Society, yes, society keeps on changing. Technology, yes, technology keeps on changing. Let us take the example of Instagram or any of the application that you use in your mobile phone. It is technology, right? It keeps on changing. Yes or no? Yes. And that is the reason why Instagram or Facebook or Snapchat or any of the application that you use have an upgrade every month, because it keeps on changing. Environment, yes, environment keeps on changing. Sometimes it is summer, sometimes it is winter, sometimes it is rainy season, hence it keeps on changing. The last one is legal factors. When you talk about legal factors, rules and regulations, yes, they keep on changing. Before 2017 there was a law which was called as indirect taxes. All the taxes were included, such as service tax, VAT, entertainment tax, etc. But now when we look forward to it, all these taxes have been changed, and now there are only one tax which is called as GST. Complex. Now what is complex? Complex is a simple term and its English meaning is difficult to understand. Is it easy to understand business environment? Now I'll tell you one thing. Explain me the entire political situation in India. Is it difficult? Yes. To explain the entire political system in India, it is difficult. Hence it is called as complex. Economical. Is it easy to understand whether we are in boom or recession and how is the entire economy functioning? No, it is difficult and hence it is called as complex. Social. Is it easy to understand the society and the people living in it? No, it is very difficult to understand the people and hence it is complex. Technological. Is it easy to understand the technology? Okay, now I'll tell you, technology is not related to computers exactly. It is algorithm. Have you heard about the term called as algorithm? Have you heard the term called as machine learning? Have you learned about the term called as data mining, data scientist, right? This technology have been taken to a next level and it is very difficult to understand technology and hence we can call it as complex. Environment. Do you understand the environment? Totally, right? Before 2 months, I guess in February, it was raining when it was not the rainy season at all, right? Can you explain me why it is happening? No. Hence it is difficult to understand and hence it is termed as complex. Legal laws. Is it easy to understand laws for everyone? Okay, you are a commerce graduate, you are having certain ideas about how the law function, but ask a science student, do you understand what laws are all about? No. Hence it is very much complex. So pestle, entire pestle is difficult to understand, and if it is difficult to understand, it is called as complex. And what is pestle? Business environment is called as pestle, and pestle is difficult to understand and hence it is called as complex. Now relativity, the last one is relativity. Now business environment is relative. That means if it is good for one company, it can be bad for the another company. Now you might be thinking, how can a particular factor be good for one and bad for other? Now let's say that society is becoming more aware about cold drinks, that cold drinks are bad for health, right? So it is a change in social factor. Right or wrong? Social factor out of pestle has been changed and the society now thinks that cold drinks are bad for health. Good. So what will happen? The demand for cold drink shall decrease. But now if people will stop consuming cold drinks, they will start consuming something better. or something which is having relatively good hygiene condition, good health factors, and that is juice. Okay, so as it is good for health, what will happen? The demand shall increase. So in a nutshell, let us look at what we have studied. Features of business environment. Features of business environment totally means pestle. Okay, it includes first all the external forces, specific and general. Specific is related to a company, general is related to the economy, interrelated. All the factors are interrelated to each other. P is related to E is related to S is related to T is related to E, and E is related to L. We have seen the example of political parties and law, that is BJP implemented GST. Hence political parties or political factor is related to legal environment. Okay, fourth one, uncertainty. What do you understand by the term uncertainty? They can change anytime and we do not have any control over it. That is called as uncertain. And pestle factors are uncertain in nature, dynamic, it keeps on changing, right? Complex means it is difficult to understand. Pestle is difficult to understand. And relativity means if it is good for one company, it is bad for another.